This course module covers the technical fundamentals of the Thermowells. After completing this module, you will be able to describe what a Thermowell is, distinguish between different designs, and recall the critical manufacturing requirements, state the importance of stress calculation. The first question should be, do I need a Thermowell? The most common answer to this question is yes. However, if the measurement is not critical either to the safety of the plant or to the efficiency of the production, and if the process fluid is not particularly aggressive or dangerous, it may be possible to insert a stainless steel sheathed industrial thermometer into the plant pipeline through a suitable compression fitting. Obviously, the thermometer could not be removed while the plant is running, and should a problem occur with the measurement, maintenance will be delayed until the process can be stopped and the line be drained and be made safe. A Thermowell is an integral part of a process plant that serves two important functions. It protects an industrial thermometer from the process fluid. It enables the thermometer to be replaced without breaking the containment of the process plant. Selection of the right Thermowell for any application is therefore primarily a question of plant integrity and safety, and secondly, a question of measurement accuracy and speed. A solid drilled Thermowell is manufactured from a single piece of bar material, with a hole drilled to within a few millimeters of the tip. Both of these Thermowell types provide protection for the plant and an acceptable response time to changes in temperature. A fabricated Thermowell consists of a seamless pipe sealed at the process end with a welded piece. The simplest Thermowell is made from tube material that is sealed at one end and has some form of fitting to enable it to be attached to the plant. These fabricated Thermowells are often made from high-integrity, seamless stainless steel tubing. Thermowells for more demanding applications can be manufactured from solid material. Ceramic Thermowells are used for very high temperature applications. They are manufactured from high-integrity ceramics. Most Thermowell installations respond to changes in temperature faster than the process can possibly change. It is the exceptions that make this a challenge. For the majority of applications, fabricated Thermowells are perfectly adequate. They provide a good compromise between cost and protection. Solid drilled Thermowell should be used where the process presents a very high risk for people and environment, at extreme temperatures and pressures, highly corrosive or erosive process fluids. However, there are no published engineering norms which give a clear direction on which type to use. Ceramic Thermowells are used for very high temperature applications up to 1800 degrees Celsius. Almost any kind of material can be used to make a Thermowell, but the following questions must be considered carefully. Will the Thermowell be strong enough to resist the forces from the process? Will the Thermowell corrode or erode in the process? Will the Thermowell withstand the process temperature? Are there any regulatory reasons for selecting or rejecting certain materials? Will the Thermowell provide an adequate speed of response to changes in the process temperature? Now let's summarize this learning module. So, what have you learned so far? Thermowells protect people, plant, and the environment. Two basic constructions of metal Thermowells exist. Ceramic Thermowells are used in very high temperature applications. Having